To change the colour ribbon and retransfer film in a Magicard Prima 4, first open the door on the front by releasing the catch and lowering it gently. With your thumb, squeeze the spring-loaded grip sections at the front of the cassette and slide it out carefully before placing it down with the ribbon spindles face up. Next, remove the used ribbon by lifting the spindles from the cassette. There will be a small click as you do so. Take the new ribbon and push the spindles onto the cassette. Take extra care to line up the ribbon as the diagram on the cassette shows. Slide the cassette back into the printer with the ribbon installed. This doesn't require excessive force, so if it isn't going in, then you may need to rotate the cassette or check the position of the ribbon. Push the cassette in until you hear a click. Repeat this process with the retransfer film if necessary. To finish, close the door and initialize the printer to proceed with your print job.